Federal judge this afternoon ruled against one of Henderson's former police chiefs in her lawsuit against the city. The city fired Letitia Watson in April of 2019 after less than 2 years on the job. Watson sued, claiming racial discrimination, civil rights violations, defamation, and libel. The city says it let the chief go because of ongoing union issues.